how do I make my lens choices? So some productions, we have a very specific need for lenses, such as anamorphics, cine-zoom, prime sets. So for those, that makes our life really easy. Now, for all the other productions, we get to make our own creative choices, and that's when we can have a lot of fun. Now, personally, I'm the kind of DP that likes a cine-zoom lens set. That's just kind of my personal preference. Throughout the years, I've just kind of found that that is honestly how my brain works. If I have a cine-zoom, whether that's an ingenue lens, which I am a personal fan of, the new DZOs kind of gives you the creative flexibility to showcase what you can do as a DP. Now, there's obviously plethora of prime lenses that you could use. I personally love them, but it's just not what I automatically go to. So here at TSM, our two main camera supports are a Dana Dolly and an Easy Rig. Now, because that's what we primarily go to, having the versatility of a cine zoom set is what we prefer. Once again, my personal choice will either be an ingenue 30 to 90. They have some other ones as well, but that's the one that I've used quite regularly recently, and the DZOs, the 20 to 55 and the 50 to 125. If I have either one of those, personally, I'm pretty happy. Send in more questions and we'll be happy to answer them. That's this episode of Talking Stories with TSM.